Okay, let's discuss exterior egress lighting based on the International Building Code, or IG, and National Electrical Code, or NEC. You're seeing differing opinions from plan reviewers regarding the power source and configuration of exterior egress lighting. Some prefer these lights to be fed from and monitored by interior lighting circuits, accepting a single light fixture at each location. Others want them powered by and monitored on exterior lighting circuits, requiring 2 light fixtures at each spot for redundancy. Let's break down what the IBC and NEC say, and then look at common practices. The IBC section 403.7 addresses exterior lighting but does not explicitly dictate the power source or monitoring specifics. It generally requires exterior lighting to be provided, but leaves the details open. The NEC section 410.4b requires the exterior lighting equipment to be supplied from an approved circuit. Similar to the IBC, it doesn't specify whether that circuit must be interior or exterior, nor does it mandate monitoring requirements. Now, let's explore those 2 common schools of thought. The first is powering exterior lights from interior lighting circuits, using a single light fixture. The rationale here is often simplification. You have one circuit serving both interior and exterior lighting, which can make wiring and maintenance straightforward. Single light fixtures are also generally less expensive and easier to install. The second approach involves using a dedicated exterior lighting circuit and employing 2 light fixtures per location. This separation of circuits can be desirable for several reasons. It may be a requirement for emergency lighting systems, allowing for independent control and backup power. It can also facilitate energy savings by allowing the exterior lights to be controlled separately from the interior lights. The 2 light fixtures provide redundancy. If one lamp fails, the other ensures continued illumination of the egress path. When deciding which approach is best, several factors should be considered. 1. Local codes and regulations. Always check with your local building department for any specific requirements that may supersede the general guidelines in the IBC and NEC. 2. Building type and usage. The type of building and its intended use can influence the need for redundancy or specific energy-saving measures. For instance, a high-occupancy building or a building with critical functions might benefit more from redundant lighting. 3. Maintenance considerations. Think about the ease of maintaining and replacing lamps. A single fixture might be simpler to maintain, but a dual fixture setup offers greater reliability. 4. Aesthetics. The appearance of the exterior lighting should also be taken into account, ensuring it complements the building's design and provides adequate illumination without being obtrusive. In conclusion, based on the IBC and NEC, both schools of thought are generally acceptable. The optimal approach depends on the specific circumstances of the project, local codes, and regulations. It's always recommended to consult with your local building department and a qualified electrician to determine the most appropriate solution for your situation. They can provide guidance tailored to the specific requirements of your project and jurisdiction.